everybody, I've got a new unboxing from Wendy Point, and let's see what kind of cosmetic creations I can make with what's coming from there. Let's see what we've got. Okay. It is like Christmas every time. It's my favorite part of having a handmade soap business is all the stuff I get to order. So there's that. Let's bring it down so you can see what's going on. Okay. Oh. So the first thing right on top are these Vita Burst beads. Now these are always out of stock. Always. So we're going to put some of these in a few products and see how they hold up. I'm hoping they won't bleed, but we'll see. They're tinier than, like, the beads themselves are a lot smaller than the jojoba beads. So they're definitely different. They'll be easy enough to differentiate. So there's that. And this is what I'm so excited about. You know how I've made, get down here where you can see me. Look at, what is that? What is that? Cocoa Pops. What do you think that is, guys? Oops. It's Fizzies for the bath bombs. So the Pop Crackle Fizz, I'm hoping these will be better than the candy. Oh, I'm so excited. We'll see. We'll have to do a tester, and they were cheaper than the candy too, which is nice. So I can use more. All right, so the cocoa butter covered popping candy and it's not for eating. It's for the bath. These are specifically for the bath. So there's not going to be any sugar in there. I think there's no sugar. I don't know. I haven't looked. But they're not for eating. They're for the bath. And next we have packaging. And I'm really happy because I'm making, so these are the small jars. I'm making whipped butters. And these are the perfect size. I like the low profile. For things that you stick your fingers in, I like them to be actually used within a couple of months. And people, no matter how many times you tell them to put a stick in it, they're going to use their hands because it's theirs and it's their germs, and they just don't care. So I'm going with the 2 ounce and the 4 ounces for my products. And that's going to be plenty big. I find the 8 ounces really just too big. It's never gone. It just never goes away. And I'm ready for a new fragrance. All right, so the next size are for the bigger whipped soap. So these are the pots for the whipped soap. No, these are the, what did I decide? Because I've got 3 sizes. I've got the really big ones. I'll have whipped soap in small and whipped soap in big. So people can decide. And sugar scrubs. I gave us the sugar scrubs and the salt scrubs in this size and the whipped soap in this one. I haven't decided. We'll see. I may just go strictly to the bigger 4 ounce, or I might get some 8 ounces. I've got some bale jars coming from Brambleberry. I'll be picking up those when I go down to see my sister. Here's the lid. And that's it. So we're going to be formulating with the whipped, the body soap and the body butters. Super fun. I've got some really exotic oils. I'm buying from Barack for the shea butter, which is actually right here on Vancouver Island. It was awesome. They had my order ready and I was able to pick it up. I didn't have to pay for shipping. And I had the Canadian prices that I was charged, which was great. So you Americans, you're going to get some good deals right now. All right, so that's all we've got for now. Very excited about the Cocoa Pops. They're at Wendy Point if you want some for your bath bombs. See you guys later. Next time. If you enjoyed this unboxing, which was very brief, sometimes it's nice just to see brief and really exciting products. Click subscribe and we'll see you next time. If you want to see what I'm going to put in them. Good stuff. I promise. It'll be awesome. See you next time. Bye for now.